Dear students, welcome everybody to my class. I am M.M.Billal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of English, Raghunathpur Secondary School, Dumuria, Khulna. How are you? I hope that you are all well at home. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today I will take an English second paper class. The class will be suitable for the students of class 8. Okay, let's enjoy the class. What do you see in the picture? In this picture, we see someone is sitting before or in front of other. And in another picture, we can see someone is sitting after or back of another one. Can you gauge what we are going to discuss today? Yes, our today's lesson is suffix and prefix. At the end of this class, you will be able to identify the definition of suffix and prefix. And also you will be able to differ suffix and prefix. And you will also be able to use suffix and prefix in the sentence. Look at this. Letter or letters added before any word and changes its meaning is called prefix. And letter or letters added after any word and change its form is called suffix. What is the difference between suffix and prefix? Prefix is added before a word and changes its meaning. And suffix is added after a word and changes its form. Example of some prefix: an, in, etc. An example of suffix: shone, et, li, nes, meant, etc. Example of prefix: we can see prefix is added directly before the word. And in case of suffix, some letter may be omitted while adding suffix. What do you see? He has no able to buy a car. The sentence is grammatically incorrect. But if I say he has no ability to buy a car, the sentence is correct. So I have added ity as suffix to correct the sentence. Look at this picture. Mother Teresa was rewarded for her human. The sentence is incorrect. We can correct it adding suffix or prefix. As the word her is the possessive case of pronoun, we know that after the possessive case of a pronoun, we must use a noun form. So the noun form of human is humanity. So we can add ity as suffix to correct the sentence. What do you see in the picture? The perfect of his performance is really wondered. Actually, the sentence is grammatically incorrect. To incorrect it, we can add suffix or prefix to the words in brackets. We know that after any article we must use the noun form of any word, but the word perfect is adjective. If we turn it into noun, it will be perfection. And The word really is adverb. We know that after any adverb we must use adjective, but wonder is noun. If we turn it into adjective, it will be wonderful. So the sentence will be, the perfection of his performance is really wonderful. What do we see in the picture? Our parents always encourage us to put on this dress. The sentence is incorrect. We will have to correct it using prefix or suffix with the word in bracket. We can see that in this sentence there is no verb, and we know that without verb a sentence is impossible. So the word must be verb. If we turn the word courage into verb, it will be encourage. So the answer is encourage. What do we see? What a beautiful performance he displayed. This sentence is also incorrect. We can see the word beautiful. It's an adjective, and we know that after adjective the word must be a noun, and the noun of the word perform is performance. So the answer will be performance. There is a passage with some words in bracket, and the words in bracket are in incorrect form. You will have to correct them by adding prefix or suffix or both. Okay, try. In this passage we can see, in the past people did not have developed communicate facilities. The word developed is adjective, and after adjective we use a noun form, and the noun of communicate is communication. So communication is appropriate here. In second sentence, they used to move to short distant places on foot. We know that the word make is transitive verb, and after a transitive verb we need an object or a noun, and the noun form of move is movement. So movement is appropriate here. In third sentence, nowadays they go by rickshaw, taxi or by other kind of motor vehicles. The word vehicles is noun, and before the noun we use an adjective, and the adjective of motor is motorized. So motorized is appropriate here. Next sentence, as a result they do not undergo physical exert which is good for health. Here the word physical is adjective, and after adjective we use the noun form, and the noun form of exert is exertion. So exertion is appropriate here. In next sentence, the ultimate result is that many a man is now getting diabetes. The suggest is that we should form the habit of walking. The word the, it's an article, and after article we must use a noun form, and the noun of suggest is suggestion. So the answer will be suggestion. Yeah. Walking enables us to enjoy the beauty of nature. Walking enables us. Here a verb is needed, because without verb a sentence is impossible. And if we turn the word able into verb, it will be enabled. And according to the structure of present indefinite tense, as the subject walking is third person and singular number, an s or es will be added here. So the answer will be enables us to joy. We know that After preposition to, we must use the base form of verb, and the word joy is noun. Its verb form is enjoy, so enjoy is appropriate here. Next sentence, it also helps us have physical fit. It's incorrect. The word physical is adjective, so we need a noun here, and the noun of fit is fitness. But some people are different to walking. We know that if we use be verb or become as the verb of a sentence, we use an adjective in place of object. But here the word different is adjective, so we will have to bring another adjective which means differently. We can use indifferent here. This one is also adjective. Next sentence, they give prefer to vehicles. As give is transitive verb, so we need an object. It means a noun. The noun form of prefer is preference, so the answer should be preference. Let's go to see the answers. Check your answers whether they are correct or incorrect. Okay. First one is communication, second one movement, third one motorized, fourth one exertion, fifth one suggestion, sixth one enables, seventh on enjoy, eighth on fitness, ninth on indifferent, and 10th on preference. Now there is a passage where there are some words in bracket which are in incorrect form. You will have to correct them by adding prefix or suffix. Okay, try it at home. No more today. This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.